You look at me like I'm a secret, but you don't even try to hide it. Say you're cool, you don't feel it, but your hands keep moving closer. The world slows down to a gentle pace. I forget all my worry and my chase. Every broken piece finds its place when I'm lost in your warm embrace. I'm not pretending more disguise. You see all the parts I try to hide. Your love is the calm in my wildest tides. You make me feel alive inside. All the noise fades out into the dark. I find my way back to my heart. Nothing else could take us apart. When I'm in your arms, I feel at home. Every fear inside me is gone. I don't need anyone to hold. You're the one that makes me whole. When I'm in your arms, I finally breathe. This is where I wanna be. No more pain, no more empty. You're all I ever need. We lay in silence, soft and slow. No need to rush, no need to go. You touch my soul